Hello everyone, incredible but true, we are in week 5. Today we are going to prepare a video to document the process of setting up our collaborative course. In my case, I belong to course 2, so we have our platform in order to design our course. I started here with the general things in which I prepared a video for the introduction of the course in order to motivate students to register in our course. After that, I work in week 1 with the topic according to our syllabus that for week 1 is the importance of technology in our classrooms, and I designed 2 activities for this and I put the video here. As you can see, it's very easy. The rest of the people in my group prepared the topic 2, topic 3, topic 4, and topic 5 for our course. Well, that's all for today. We hope this video has been useful for you. See you. Bye.